My last question is, what is one message you want people to take away from our conversation?
I want them to understand that we in the United States are reacting, hopefully with thought and with care, to a fundamental change in the world economy. The dominance of the West, which traces back, if you wish, to the Renaissance, or if you don't wish, to the modern transition from feudalism to capitalism, and then the spread of capitalism until it became global. That is now changing. If you add up the GDP of the G7, the United States and its major allies, including Britain, it works out to 28, maybe 29% of total global output. If you add up the GDP of the People's Republic of China and its BRICS allies, it works out to 35% of the world's GDP. The world isn't the dominance of the West economically. Just like the Ukraine war is teaching that it isn't under the control of the West militarily either. We have to adjust to that change. We cannot stop it and we cannot repress it. And the effort to do so is a disaster for everyone, even shy of the nuclear war. That's what we're all reacting to, not just as countries. Every company is reassessing its global strategy, if it has one, to take account of the changing world. You know, that's the issue. We are learning the lesson. And as with all great changes historically, and even all great moments of crisis, they are also moments of opportunity to use the crisis to make the changes that it shows us we need for our own survival, let alone our own progress.